Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring the Singer oven is stable and plugged into a grounded 220-240V outlet, safety first. Once done, remove racks and quickly wipe the cavity so sensors read correctly. Next, check the lamp and fan by briefly powering on. This confirms operation. Turn the function selector to bake or the function your recipe requires and set the timer to 0 to begin preheat. You do this now so the oven learns the correct baseline temperature as it warms. You preheat the oven to the recipe temperature, for example 180 degrees C, and wait until the ready light or indicator stops flashing. While it heats, place your tray on the middle rack to promote even airflow and predictable browning. The center is usually best. Use a small oven thermometer on the middle rack to verify the actual internal temperature, aiming for within 5 degrees. If it reads off, slightly adjust the temperature setting and allow another 5–10 minutes for stabilization. You place the dish in and start the clock according to the recipe. If your Singer lacks convection or you notice uneven color, rotate the tray halfway through cooking to equalize heat. Once the timer ends, turn the oven off and for delicate bakes, open the door slightly and let the food rest to avoid shock. Use mitts when removing racks. If things go wrong, uneven browning or incorrect times, inspect rack placement, confirm the thermometer reading, and verify the fan spins. Those 3 fix most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.